Ever wondered how to automate infrastructure provisioning? Heard the term infrastructure as code and been intrigued by its cloud computing potential? Today, we're diving into a unique course by TheOpsKart, aimed at prepping you for the Terraform Associate certification exam. Commencing with Module 1, Introduction to Infrastructure as Code, a revolutionary concept changing infrastructure management and provisioning. We'll demystify its significance and its role in today's dynamic cloud environment. Module 2. Next, we plunge into the basics of Terraform. We delve into the installation process, exploring its configuration language. You'll grasp the syntax and semantics that make Terraform such a powerful tool. Module 3. Then we'll introduce you to Terraform providers. They are plugins enabling Terraform interaction with cloud services. You'll learn their functioning and effective use. Module 4. Moving on, we'll delve into managing Terraform state, the critical component that records your infrastructure. This aspect is pivotal to effective functioning. Additionally, we'll glance over Terraform resources, the primary entity that Terraform uses to manage your infrastructure. Module 5. Following this, you'll explore Terraform modules, grouping resources for convenience. We'll briefly look into Terraform workspaces, enabling you to manage multiple environments with the same configuration. Module 6. Essential Terraform CLI commands. We'll explore commands crucial for command line interaction with Terraform. Finally, we'll dive into some advanced Terraform concepts to further solidify your understanding. Module 7. The last part of our journey will focus on Terraform Associate certification prep. We provide insights and practice exams to enhance your confidence and readiness. Module 8. Beyond the course, TheOpsKart offers a supportive community for knowledge exchange and collaboration on Terraform projects. This course goes beyond learning, enhancing your resume and broadening career opportunities. Prepare to master automating infrastructure deployment with Terraform, advancing your cloud computing career guided by TheOpsKart. This is the Terraform Associate Certification Exam Preparation course, where we turn the complex into comprehensible.